You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word and clarify the pronunciation, or should I say pronunciations? Yes, there are different pronunciations in English. By the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I have more videos for you. You'll want to listen to. Fuchsin. Fuchsin is how it's pronounced, but it is also correct to say it as Fuchsin. Alright, so the two pronunciations are correct. You may have heard both. Fuchsin with a schwa sound and a sound, sun, Fuchsin, or Fuchsin with an e sound. So both pronunciations are correct. You can pick which one you like best, but now at least you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.